My name is Bettina. This is Raymond. We are from Adamfo Ghana Foundation. We would like to show you a very simple way of producing your own face mask.
The way one can wear face mask.
The only thing you will need is a common handkerchief and 2 rubber bands.
The only need common handkerchief and a rubber band. Every time.
I just want to say that this idea is not my own. A friend also from the UK sent it to me, but we find it necessary to share it with you because it is a very simple and cheap way in producing your own mask to protect yourself and your family.
And young Cassan Eddie will buy a damn to be all UK or train. I see a person a train a month for the way one can obey face mask.
So you use your hand key. You fold it in the middle and then you fold it again. You use your rubber bands and pull them from one side and then also from the other side.
You do rubber band one side and the another side.
Then you fold the sides inside one after the other.
If
you like, you can push one side in the other. Now you have your rubbers on the outside. You put the hand key in front of your face and wear the rubber bands around your ear, and you have your own face mask.
So I am simple face mask or the asset.
As you can see, it protects the mouth and the nose. When you come home, don't touch the face. Remove it from the ears.
So
then you remove the hand key from it. If you have a washing machine, you use it, you boil it. If not, you use your pot, you boil it very high, and then it's disinfected and you can use it again. Very simple and cheap. Please share this with your friends, your family, your loved ones. It's a very simple and very cheap and very easy to come by alternative to the face mask you can buy in the pharmacies.
Very cheap.
And unfortunately, these days the proper ones are not even available. So we hope we from Adamfo Ghana Foundation, we could help you to make your life in these difficult days a bit easier. God bless you all, and God bless our homeland Ghana.
Madam Ghana, yes, we are